Hello creative minds. Today we will be drawing some concept sketches of an interesting character. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of forms. For today's artistry trivia, an Indian digital illustrator feels that creating a character is similar to assembling the pieces of a puzzle together. He puts in his heart, mind and soul to create out-of-the-box characters and gives them a twist in a way which takes the audience by surprise. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start with the concept sketches, let's talk about strong posing and their overall shapes. Let us see some poses, but they will only be silhouettes of the poses. Even though these poses are in silhouette form, their action is clear. Also, the shapes created by the silhouettes of these poses are very expressive and appealing. Let's start with our first sketch. Start with basic shapes. Our character is a combination of oval and cylinder shapes. His left hand is in air with a finger up like he is scolding someone. His other hand is behind his back. Now let's start with the detail. Now let's start with the second pose. Drawing in basic shapes help us in breaking down the subject or the object we are drawing. After the first step, start with the details, try and maintain the proportions of the character. In this pose, the character is pointing at something with his head facing up. Now the third and the final sketch. The purpose of these videos are to help you understand the forms that characters are made of. So don't copy, understand and then draw. The process is same as the previous two poses, so start with the basic shapes. This last pose of the character is singing with a mic in his hands. Now start with the details. Now if you see closely, the first pose of the character is strict, so it is constructed using solid lines, which makes the character appear strict and grumpy. Now let's look at our third pose. This one is constructed using curvy lines, giving the character a completely different feel, making him look happy and approachable. Once you are done with final details, let's move on towards coloring the sketch. While coloring the sketch, understanding the form of the subject so it will help in coloring the shadow. There we have it, concept sketches of this character in different poses. Drawing is a process which will take time. So you will get better, eventually don't stop practicing. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Born in Dhule, Maharashtra, Nikhil Shinde is a freelance illustrator. Starting off his career in 2010 through digital paintings, he now works with Photoshop and CorelDRAW to create memorable work. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.